Unibody Autotech is a family-run business. My dad actually started it back in '74. Took it over around, I believe it was like 2000, 2001. And then from there, I mean, we just kind of grew where it is today. We're looking at the fact that, give back to the community because of the fact that what our services are. Well, this car donation project, I believe this is going to be our third year. What happened was it was a conversation over just thinking outside of the box. What can we do for the community? So it started off with the insurance company, which is First Insurance in this case. So First Insurance kind of, came to my attention and said, hey, Mike, what do you think about, trying to donate a car to the community? And at first I was like, that's a good idea, but, I'm just looking at how expensive is that going to be? And so what happened was the first project, First Insurance, found a good donor car. And what that means is a car that was economically more to repair than to actually wipe out. So with that said, it comes down to the point that Unibody or Team Unibody will supply the labor hours to actually bring this car back. Partners with NAPA. NAPA will supply paint materials, everything from oils to spark plugs, tires, lamps.
So our partnership with Unibody began a long time ago, and it started as his paint supplier. In his business, he's always given back to the community. And a project he came up with about 3 years ago is this giving a car to a needy family. We've been fortunate to have been involved from the beginning.
We actually took possession of the vehicle, I want to say around April, May time. Throughout that time, we solicited our partners to see who can partner up with us in regards to this project. And months later, but in regards to man hours and company man hours, yeah, you're probably looking about 100, 130 man hours getting into the system. I mean, economically, we all put a good financial investment into it, but it's coming back to the community. What's nice about it is our team at Unibody, from the technicians to the admin staff, it's a car that we see, and normally we don't leave a car in our facilities for more than 30 days. So this vehicle has been there for 6 months, and it reminds us, what we're here for. It's not necessarily just to fix someone else's car. Now we've got a project car that we're gonna donate to a needed family. It kind of gets me emotional as well because my big focal point for Unibody as an organization is about family. Our main vision point is we fix people, we don't fix cars. And with this project now giving back to this one particular family, I mean, it just comes in full circle. That makes it, such a great opportunity to be, part of.
Just having the access to a safe, reliable vehicle is life-changing for us right now. And I'm just so blessed and grateful to these people and their hearts, and just having the spirit to do that is so life-changing for families, and I can never say how grateful I am. It's truly a dream come true.